Hi, I'm Nikhil. I'll explain you the steps to access the report for a bulk job. This feature allows you to easily access and view reports for all the bulk message jobs sent through various methods. These include bulk message from CSV, bulk message from list view, bulk select, texting from reports. With these reports, you can monitor the performance of your campaigns, track message delivery, and ensure effective communication. It's a convenient way to stay organized and measure the success of your bulk messaging efforts. So here's how you can easily access the review detailed reports for your bulk messaging jobs and track their performance and delivery. Open the app launcher and search for workflow schedules and follow-ups. You will see a list of bulk jobs sent through different processes. Select the one you want to view its report. The detailed reports for the selected bulk job will appear, showing information such as outbound and inbound messages, unknown statuses, undelivered messages, queued messages, sent messages, delivered messages, responded messages, failed messages, and read messages. For this particular one, we have the fail. The status selection option allows you to filter records according to the status. You can click on the show records. The list initially displays up to 2000 records by default. To view all the records, you can click the download records in CSV option to download a CSV file with all the records and their statuses. In the right hand side, which displays, in the right hand side, you can see the brief details in the table. This concludes the overview of bulk message job reporting. If you need further assistance, please reach out to our support team. We'll gladly help. Thank you.